Assalamualaikum. I'm Muslim Muhammad Yunus and I own Lighthouse Tuition Center. And we specialize in teaching students how to solve any mathematical questions instead of memorizing it. The problem that lies over here is students tend to memorize the answers rather than learning how to solve it. This is an N-level question and I'm going to show how students can solve it instead of memorizing the answers. Now take a look at this question. Simplify t plus 1 over 6 plus 3t over 4. Students, usually when they see this question, they will go blank. Now, it's very simple. Firstly, you just have to cross multiply. You see that the denominator is different. The first step is to cross multiply. So, that means to bring over 4t plus 1 plus with 3t times 6 and join the denominator together, 6 times 4. First step. Second step is to expand using this butterfly method. So 4 times t be 4t plus 4 times 1, you get 4. And that's the end for the first expansion. Move on to the next sign, plus 3t times 6. Number multiply with a number. 3 times 6, you have 18t. And that's the end for the numerator. Going on to the denominator, 6 times 4 will be 24. Second step done. Now the third step is to simplify. That means to bring the alphabets together, 4t and 18t. They have the same alphabet with different numbers. So 4 plus 18, you will have 22t and you are left with plus 4. And here you go, you have 24. Now, do you see any common factor between 22 and 4? Yes, I do. What is it? I can take out 2. So 2 times 11 plus with 2 times 2 to make it 4. This is called factorize out of 24. Now, because this is already taken out from the bracket, I can cancel out this and this. So 2 divided by 24 is 1 out of 12. And the final answer will be 11t plus 2 over 12. This is it. So parents, this is how your child can solve any algebra math question using the unique method that I've just shown earlier. The problem is, in every examination, the questions are paraphrased differently. And because of that, students who memorize answers are not able to solve correctly. At Lighthouse Tuition Center, our unique approach is to teach and guide the students how to solve mathematics questions correctly. Mathematics is a core subject for every secondary level. And by passing it with good grades, it opens up doors to the tertiary education. So parents, let me ask you a question. How would you feel many years later seeing your child receiving his first degree? You knew it was because of a good decision that you made many years ago. And I would like to invite you and your child to come to my tuition center for a free mathematics trial class, where I will show how to solve math questions effectively. Somewhere in this video, you will find a Learn More button. Click on it to register for the free mathematics trial class.